So me and Malik done eat with egg sandwich and Sashana just reached home. Yes, the same Sashana just reached home at 2 o'clock in the morning. What's up? Oh, that's a what's up? Oh, that's... Can I go later? Yeah. This won't come back. Hi, good afternoon, guys. It's the next day. It's 1:30, February 28th. I'm on Olympic Way. I have some things that I have to do for mommy, but I'm also filming a couple of videos, like a video for my channel and a video for Anisha's channel today. But I'm on Olympic Way. I'm gonna bring you guys to go see Glenn. Probably haven't seen him since the party. That's the business. Your luck. Huh? I'm gonna get through. You want to say it to my vlog? Sorry. You want to say hello to my vlog? Huh? You want to say hello to the vlog?
Blog, bug.
The vlog.
Shout to the blog. You guys know I've been wanting ice cream for the longest time. I think I got ice cream after that time though, but no, I definitely got ice cream after that time, but right now I need some ice cream. Make a buy. Oh, look at my hair not looking too bad. Hello. I'm gonna get 1 scoop because I only got $500. I only got 500. Hi, can I get a 1 scoop? 1 scoop. Single cone?
Yeah. It's 1 scoop. And that's it. Oh yeah. So these are the ice cream prices. And yeah. Whew, this AC feels so good. That's my outfit. See? The ice creams are over here. Oh my god, they look so good. Ooh. Huh? No, I have to use that like... Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday the 29th and it's almost 1 o'clock. And we're at the Razablade, Trouble Link, Iandra, Trish, meet and greet, but the only person we see is yeah. Roll. They can edit that out, them not for no. I'm just kidding. I've been mixing up. Cause you know I did that last time with Jason. No, I'm never together. But anyways, you know, with Rolly, guys. We're in Hilo Food Supermarket. I'm gonna wait for the meet and greet to Chin here. Wagwan Chin and Peter Gay and then Rolly friend. Yeah. I'll be back when I see more people. Alright guys, so Jason Razor White just reached. It's me from that camera, you move. What's here?
Why you so miserable? You don't drink the tea like me, I do. Bicana.
Wagwan.
Yeah, you could make it.
Thank you very much.
She coming. I think you're forward.
Sorry.
No, but we should reach before we...
Them soon kick we out of the entrance.
Oh, we are
Really hungry like from Thank you. Oh, sorry. So as you see, Rolly over here talking to somebody on the phone. Chest out touch channel. Security now coming in. So we're gonna go look for Jason. That's support my friend dinner.
So you go so you little more to make it to meet and greet.
Jason, talk to the people them now.
People you know,
Say hi to my sis.
Put that talk to the people.
So why you couldn't come? Never send a complaint to the employer. Who him? Who she? So both couldn't free you up. I him run anything down. I not him.
I am.
I'm both a virgin man. You could just make you text me. Oh yeah, the paint. Come again with the paint.
Yo, you're the second person to ask me. I don't have no name for them.
I don't know what car I just have a bag on it.
Yeah.
Alright. So the corners.
The corners.
We don't want to arena farm. I don't like going to arena farm. I'm not going to lie, but I have to come because.
Yeah, we know say you're not a water person. You said that.
Yeah?
Alright,
Oh, yeah, we're not a water person at all. You don't know me come from most of the people, man. I love say you come out still. Where are you from? Kingston, anyway?
Huh? Kingston right now, yeah.
I mean, we are the
But at Trelawney and Kingston, we go in between.
Come on, with the move. I'm surprised when I see you.
But I have to come support.
But she made it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Huh? Move over here. Sorry. Ooh. Yeah, man, watch everybody. I take pictures. Everybody look all nice, skin clean.
Yeah.
Roll is so easy. Yeah, man. Roll away. I said to the people that.
Hi, what's up? Oh my gosh. This is supposed to look great. Wow. People, she mama, just because of her quality, she made me get one of this.
You got a GoPro?
Yeah, I got one.
No, man, I have to get myself updated.
Why? But you have one.
No, man, talk about you.
What
So,
do you mean?
alright, I mean, we can go on adventures now and
Yeah.
do something,
It's
yeah.
in my pocket, yeah? Oh my gosh.
What?
Yeah.
God, yo, didn't I tell you guys how much I love when people have their GoPros?
Yeah.
Look at
and
this.
This is the 8.
You got the 8? I'm bombard. Money up there. Him touch me up, yeah.
What do you mean? No,
What?
I have to go
Yeah,
for the best.
man.
I either it or the vlog camera, the G7X. But
No,
this is good.
because this waterproof. You have Walipa accessories.
This
I have
is
this,
silver.
yeah, here 7 black, yeah. What?
But it's good still.
You see that GoPro? You see that? Sponsor me. Because watch.
Yeah, because I call it my city quality. I'm going to say, whoa.
Yeah.
I'm going to get that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got it.
Alright.
It do my experiment. It go good.
Nice.
Really good.
You know the first time I got my GoPro?
My GoPro Hero 8.
Yeah.
Hero 8.
Hero 8. Yeah.
Hero.
The first time I got my GoPro, I had to test it to see if it's really waterproof.
Sometimes
It cut out.
Yeah, guys, so I have to leave soon. But Iandra just reached. So I'm gonna say like a hi and bye. Peter gave say bye to my channel. Bye guys. Bye. Yeah. I'm not lie, Rolly bought the GoPro Hero 8 and the quality nice. Like,
1 minute people want to take a picture with you, you know.
hi,
So
how are
them
you?
out.
Yeah.
So I pray.
Hi. Woo woo. Yeah, man. Yeah, you have to put a little something in your video. You have only for people up there who want to meet you.
You have your man for your chest, yeah.
Not today.
Fun them.
I'm gonna try
No, but I carry.
Hi. Hey, everybody.
meet and greet.
Camera nicey, clear, right? Yeah. Gonna meet the people them.
Everybody know Razablade.
Let me see Iandra meet some of these people. I wish I look for her so far.
That's so nice. Oh, that's why she done make up her face. So okay, them dagger prank her. It never worked though. That was cute. Alright guys, so like I said, I have to head out now. I have to get on the road. See, the person I'll call me back now, but I have to leave now. And Chin Kosabaya, there's another Chin another ear. Chin, right? Yeah. Wait, no, tell us something. Alright. Yo. So guys. 1 second.